there and welcome back to another Christmas gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free cooking video. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for some jam. So, you will be needing the following equipment. Some scales, some measuring spoons, a chopping board, a kitchen knife, 4 jars with lids. You will want to sterilise these before you use them, so what I did was put them in a bowl, added boiling water to them, separating the jars from the lids and leaving them there for 10 minutes. A saucepan, a potato masher, a trivet, a serving ladle, a large spoon, 1 small bowl, a metal tablespoon and some jam jar labels. You will also be needing the following ingredients. 250 grams of jam sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and approximately 450 grams of strawberries with the tops chopped off and washed. So, let's go! First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use. So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our jam. So for this we will be needing our saucepan, our potato masher, our trivet and all of our ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my sugar to my saucepan, followed by my vanilla extract and all of my strawberries. So now the next thing to do is to crush this lot together with your potato masher. You do want to do this until it becomes quite slurry and there's not much texture to it, but you do want those little bits of still together strawberries to add a bit of texture to your jam. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm now going to place my saucepan onto my hob and set that, well, turn it on, and then set that to a boil, bring it up to the boil, and just wait for that. So now that this is at a boil, I am just going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'm going to leave it at a simmer for 5 minutes. So now this has been simmering for 5 minutes, so I'm going to carefully take this off the heat and turn off my hob. And now I'm going to use my large spoon to carefully take off the foam that's formed on the top of my jam, placing it into a small bowl. This looks like it's going to take me a little while, so I will see you after I've done this. So now that I've got rid of the foam, I'm now going to leave this to cool for 15 minutes. So now that my jam has had 15 minutes to cool, it is now time to place the jam into my jam jar. So I'm just going to do this 1 tablespoon at a time. So you don't really need to see me doing that, so I will show you, well, I will see you after I finish doing that. So now that my jam has been evenly spread between my jam jars, I'm now going to leave them to cool completely, and then I'm going to place the lids on them and my jam labels on them. Once they've been sealed, you can then leave them in the fridge for about a week. I wouldn't leave it any longer than that. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for this lovely jam and all the links to the equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag cookingwithvickiie so that I can see all of your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!